Good morning students. So today I am taking class for BSc 5th semester and today I am going to solve problems on tangential velocity, normal velocity and tangential acceleration and normal acceleration. So in the last class I have derived the equations of tangential velocity and normal velocity, tangential acceleration and normal acceleration. Okay, so now we solve the problems. Now in this case, what is the problem is given as a point moves in a curve so that its tangential and the normal accelerations are equal and the tangent rotates with a constant angular velocity. Show that the intrinsic equation of the path is s is equal to a into e raised to psi plus b. Okay, so now to solve this problem, first write the given equations. So what is given? Tangential acceleration and normal accelerations are equal. So TA is equal to NA. So TA means tangential acceleration, NA means normal acceleration. Now it is given that angular velocity is constant. With a constant angular velocity means angular velocity is constant. Now what is angular velocity is given by d psi by dt. So this d psi by dt is known as angular velocity and which is given as constant. Let us take that as k. Okay. So now what is tangential acceleration? It is given by the formula v into dv by ds. Normal acceleration is v square by rho. Now here 1v get cancelled. Now this can be written as dv by ds into v by, now rho is nothing but radius of curvature. So rho is given by the equation ds by d psi. So radius of curvature. Okay, so now this is write rho as ds by d psi. So now this is equal to again dv by ds. This is same as d and ds get cancelled. dv by v is equal to dv by v is equal to d psi. dv by v is equal to d psi. Okay. So now dv by ds is equal to v into this one v get cancelled. dv by ds is equal to v into ds by d psi. So now we need this term dv by v is equal to d psi. Okay, so now what we do, we write dv by v as dv by dt. One minute. So dv by v into ds. Okay, so ds get cancelled and then v we can take here divide by v. So dv by v is equal to this d psi comes in the numerator. So now dv by v is equal to d psi. Okay, so next is integrating, which gives log v is equal to psi plus integration constant, that is a. Okay, integration constant, that is a. So then v is equal to integration constant, that is a. Now I write here. Now v is equal to this log out to here. It gives e raised to psi plus a, applying logarithmic properties. Now v is ds by dt because v is the velocity. So velocity is rate of change of displacement. So v is equal to ds by dt, which is e raised to psi. This can be written as e raised to psi into e raised to a, or e raised to psi into e is constant, a is constant. So e raised to a is again a constant. For our convenience, we take this as a. Next is this ds by dt can be written as ds by d psi into d psi by dt is equal to e raised to psi into a. Now d psi by dt is constant. It is given k. Now substitute here. So ds by d psi into k is equal to a into e raised to psi. A into e raised to psi. Okay. So that is. So we want ds by d psi is equal to, now dividing throughout by k, which gives a by k into e raised to k. A by k into e raised to psi, or ds is equal to, again taking a by k as again a, capital A. Okay, let capital A by k is again a anta tagolli. Similarly here taking e raised to a as a. Okay, grouping the constant, taking if a term contains more than one constant, then that whole can be replaced by one constant, that is a. Okay, so that is ds is equal to, this a by k is capital A e raised to psi, this d psi is multiplied. Again integrating. So integration of ds is, yes, a is constant, integration of e raised to psi is e raised to psi, plus again one more integration term, integration of constant, that is b. So therefore s is equal to e raised to psi into b. So which is the required equation. Okay, so this is how we solve the problem. Okay, so next we solve another problem. So a particle describe a cycloid s is equal to 4a sin psi with uniform speed. Find the acceleration at any point s, or show that the acceleration is v square divided by square root of 16a square minus s square. Okay, so this is the problem. Now we first write the given quantities. What is given? S is equal to 4a sin psi. This is given. Okay, so now speed is uniform. That means speed is nothing but v is constant, or v is equal to k. Okay, so all these are given. Next is what we have to show, acceleration at any point. So acceleration means, formula for acceleration is equal to square root of ta square plus na square. Okay, so now finding ta and na. So what is tangential acceleration? So tangential acceleration is nothing but dv by dt. Tangential acceleration is dv by dt. Now v is